there was a report.
Yeah.
One must say National Democratic Congress. Chance so be winning 2024. If you go back, name mom with the new candidate. And I'm saying, me this report, digest it, and then I can speak to this thoroughly.
Sure.
They say NDC, and then they put the question mark about a new candidate. So see, I mean what you To be very honest with you, see the new candidate in the air from NDC.
I see.
John Mahama incompetence no any records no for us to play.
I see.
And we met at Ofeni saying
Akoma FA
Lancaster
87.9.
Okay.
And I told Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia at the time, say, you are the best candidate for John Mahama 2024. Head-to-head comparison of records.
I see.
Yeah. That is the sweetest thing that we are going to find in election 2024. And you know,
Mahama Bawumia.
you know that if both of them are in the boxing ring, who will be the superior boxer? Let me tell you this. We don't fear John Mahama 2024 a bit. I didn't make us. Okofa John Mahama poster as far back as 1994.
87.9.
Better Ghana no. Na a slogan. We saw one not as vice president only, but also as president of the Republic of Ghana. Okra wheel now the echo, baby odi kokodrie. Baby odi kokodrie. Yera John Dramani Mahama ne kan so about build Hope City. Go and read the concept note of the Hope City. Ekoko wie saying, sika any cancer ye toye relating to Hope City. Even ekoko wie.
Roland
Gambiri. The same Roland and Gambiri no and na church certain switch. Mobile payment interoperability contract. $1.2 billion. By we say buy Bank of Ghana enya kukodro etwam e produce no $4.5 million. John Mahama, Roland Gambiri, no, I want to repeat. On the certain switch for Nachi. Interoperability, $1.2 billion. Come on, Ghana cannot make that mistake. Again, here are John Dramani Mahama. I said it earlier. Also, we created 1 million jobs. 1 million jobs. It was not anchored on big push. And your big push or the project 1 million jobs. It is never true. Go back to your manifesto. But no, na candidate the whole Ghana president to be no by your T Unemployment Association of Ghana. Ewo my Ghana. Graduate Unemployment Association of Ghana. Here are John Dramani Mahama person here. One no introduce a 3-month pay policy. Na me makwa adwuma so me nsia afi e ba sa ban be twabeka no twabeka boso me ofred say miensa what did John Mahama ba what the content fit akoto wi yes
87.9 Kumasi.
I think this is serious.
Listen, listen. John Mahama a promise on my Ghana so we build GDP growth 8% per annum. 8%. 8%. One may see every single target for the 4 years I'll be president of Ghana. As a matter of fact, what year ended 3.4% GDP growth. And you John Dramani Mahama ya. And I can say right to information bill. What promise Ghana for? It never occurred in its time. And you John Dramani Mahama ya. And I catch a savannah for say Obama region. But I compare one thing and create. I don't know who for be creating Mako 6 at a go. Spending 442 million Ghana cedis and changing those regions. And this time around, the paradigm on say, so be a no free savannah, Obashana Bibi or Salaga, no Bibi or Damango, no Bibi, yes, spreading development across these places. Here, John Dramani Mahama, ST target to say, or be produce a budget deficit not exceeding 5% per annum. To be very honest with you. 2012. my deficit of 12%. Check. Sir, Papa will say
87.9.
2020 what?
2012. 2012. 12%.
Okay.
Okay? No, it is so as president. Hey, and yet Papa will say, and no idea called them. Hey, what Akoma 2009. 2009. And that trend been now watch. I would ever call do something for 4 years. Now also when I bet me build what I say. I disagree. How can John Mahama say
87.9 Kumasi?
Elimina fishing harbor a Sakawa fishing harbor, and it will never see the light of the day. On my hine na Elimina fishing harbor is it? Na nado dan kwa kufu air commission on my hine tini so. What tini so? What tini so ta. Say Yera John Dramani Mahamba catch say one no fishing harbor na NPP aban eyema na eye Sakawa fishing harbor. E ba ampocha. Sa Ghana for a president pa ye didn't ba biem no be di employer John Dramani Mahama. Kono no ka kira santima say mo development some de mo akoko esakra kira komase a enye ne fe what the Ghana what the Kumasi akwan what the gold eye Kumasi akwan kra yen so empoa super empoa super if you vote for John Mahama what the empoa twa president in Sabre biem. Na man for complaining for job, I'm for complaining for jobs. There's no kind. And there's no catch wrong. Corrupt related cases connected to him. I am saying connected to him. President Bianwa Bagan has said. President Bianwa Bagan has related corrupt case directly to him as vice president and also as president. No, you find a canton feet. And to visa. Say, what see, wo percent, wo tailor development, now would change north. One of the projects I would see when you saw any self-percent, man for Ekoyen confirm. Eko see say. Jida, Sada, Suba, Info. Just Papa will say, by corruption. That's branding. Necessary was our connection. Because we have customer the other free SHS. Say free SHS. I mean, you can once have no so train infrastructure. Your train infrastructure. We will never introduce free SHS. The word is never. Please.
Overland this is here. About 10 Overland.
Exactly 10 to 10.
Landing it 10. Or landing it 10.
Maybe 10 minutes, no? I had 30 minutes. Me say. See, I see a train infrastructure. Ya build a via. Ye give me affordability. And my mom for the donor intimi and co school. Say the other down for the Yakuku drew.
Okay. Landing.
Anabana was say, may better send me co school free. Na me tea in Biasi and they go school. Then say, me what a pray offense and shame. Next minutes come in the bed. Bidibetia. Kufado take a bold decision to take away the level of availability.
Thank you.
Allow a man for